Hello everyone. Hello.
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone has this means? Are you comfortable now? Means
Yes, sir.
okay.
Baik, Mutamar.
Okay. One more important thing.
Sam Timin Leo.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody is like feeling discomfort or like any problem with this connection?
No, sir.
Okay. It is okay, na? Okay. Some of you are feeling, I think. Okay, but don't take tension about that. Okay. We will continue like that, and I will try to put all the things in YouTube also. Okay. I will give you link later on what we will talk that way. Okay. This is only for 40 minutes, no? Because okay, so after 40 minutes it will automatically disconnect. Okay, so don't panic about that. Okay. If I have to continue, okay, I will send you new link, or otherwise just we will stop. Okay.
Yes, you could. You come on.
मोटे नहीं
Okay, so most important thing is that key you okay, try not to leave Shillong, okay, because I think in May first week or second week your terminal may be planned, okay, after this lockdown, okay, means after 3rd May your terminal exam may be planned, okay. That's why try not to, if you will go somewhere and you will be stuck, you will just means uh, just you will lose the opportunity of sitting in exam, okay. So that's why be careful, okay. If no emergency, okay, like situation is okay, not try not to travel anywhere, okay, otherwise, okay, anything, any infection you may get and you will be in trouble, okay. So be careful for that, okay. Okay, so now approximately 41, okay, 41 student they have attendance is there. Some of you told key network issue is there, that's why you want to join together like with your friends, okay, it's okay, not a problem, okay, but be in touch with the topics, okay, otherwise it will be your loss, okay. And some technical issues we cannot change, like so you are staying in somewhere where network issue may be there, okay, that we cannot change, but you have to cope up anyhow, okay, and you have to continue your study, okay, and you have to prepare for your first terminal, okay. It may be, I told you, the 2nd or 3rd week of May, okay, it may be, okay, to be careful for that, okay. Okay, we are studying this vehicle chapter, okay. So here we have talked about many things, okay, definition of vehicle, then we have talked about the uh, quality, or you can tell the which properties of vehicle, then we have talked about sugar of milk, preparation of sugar of milk, its properties, preservations, okay. Now little we will see about the uses, okay. Uses I have left and that time, okay. So preparation of trituration from mother substances which are not soluble in liquid vehicle, okay, means which are not soluble in liquid, that are just triturated with the help of sugar of milk, that you will understand when we will do practical, okay. Trituration is mostly done with the sugar of milk, which substances are not soluble in any liquid substances like alcohol or water, okay. Then it is extremely useful in biochemic preparations, okay. Biochemic medicines are just, they follow the principle of homeopathy, okay, but they are little separate, okay. It was started by Suchler, okay. So it works on the principle that if anything is deficient in your body, okay, so if you will take regularly that medicines, okay, that deficient can be recovered, or it can be cured, okay. So on that basis, but the preparation of medicine is as per the homeopathic principle, okay. That's why it is also little separate from homeopathic system, okay. So many pharmaceutical company, they make homeopathic mother tincture, homeopathic potency, okay, biochemic medicines, okay, so like that. Or preparation of potentized medicine in decimal potency, okay. For decimal and centis, different type of scales you will understand later on, okay. There are 3 types of scales: decimal scale, centesimal scale, and 50 millisimal scale, okay. So just you understand key for preparation of the drugs by the decimal scale it is used, okay. It is useful as a placebo is the second largest or second best remedy in the materia medica as per Dr. Stott class, okay. I told on class, okay, that time if like you are feeling your patient don't need any medicine, okay, at that time you can give placebo for the psychological satisfaction of your patient, okay. That's why that in organ you will study ki placebo is the second best medicine, this is given, okay. There are many reasons behind this ki, like if you are new practitioner, what you can do ki, if there is no any emergency. Okay, this is just patient is sitting in front of you in chair and they are properly giving case. Sometimes it happens ki, as a new practitioner we don't have so much experience and knowledge. Okay, so what happens, sometimes we are not sure about the drug. Okay, so first time you can give placebo to your patient, and after that you just call after 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, and you can read or you can understand and you can work out properly on that case, and you later on you can give the second medicine. Okay, that's why it is called as placebo is the second best remedy. Okay, because it helps you in when there is you are not confident about your medicine. Okay, especially okay, not in emergency cases but in the general cases like skin problems, other type of many chronic diseases, okay, which are not an emergency. Okay, it is used for the dispensing medicine to the patient. Okay, placebos are also used for dispensing, as you have seen in our hospital. Okay, 2 or 3 drops are given in the that placebo, and one dose is given to the patient. Okay, and for the preparation of mother powder, okay, it is useful for the preparation of mother powder. Okay, sometimes this mother powder is used for eating purpose also. Okay, then it is devoid of fats and as such may be used in temporary diet to the babies which cannot tolerate milk. Okay, so about milk intolerance you will understand later on when you will study pathology or practice of medicine. Okay, there are many babies, okay, that is that are not able to tolerate the normal mother's milk or like cow's milk. Okay, so for them also it is a good food because it is devoid of fat. Okay, already fat is skimmed from the lactose. Okay, so that's why this is the good thing. Okay, are you understanding? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So in this 7 point, you have any doubt? Anything you want to ask? These 7 points. Okay. Okay, so next is placebo. Okay, we will see the next part. Is placebo and sec-leg same? Okay, so placebo, this concept of placebo is everywhere. Okay, I told you in class also. Okay, concept of placebo is everywhere. Somebody just raised his hand, I think. Okay, who raised? Anything you have any question you want to ask, or just you are trying this software? Somebody raise his or her hand. So are you just trying all the functions of software, or have you any question? Okay. Then is placebo a medicine or like it is Saclec? Okay. Okay. So placebo is a actually concept of placebo is everywhere. Okay. It is in I told you earlier all the systems of medicines. Okay, because sometimes it is needed, it works as a medicine when there is some psychological issue, or actually nothing, no pathology is there in the cases of any medicine. Okay, you raised your hand, anything you have to ask? Matthew, you want to ask anything? You have raised your hand.
Sir, by mistake.
Okay, by mistake, it's okay. Okay, then okay, so these placebo are like that. Okay, so placebo concept, placebo is the second best remedy in materia medica, without which no good homeopathists could longer practice medicines. Okay, so just this part is important, as if without placebo you cannot think of practicing, because many times you need when there is any type of confusion is there. I told you as a new practitioner, or sometimes there is other issues are there, like you feel there is no any pathology in a patient, just psychologically they are depressed, or they don't have any pathological complaints. Okay, so like that. And what is the synonym? Synonyms are nilhinum, okay, phytum, okay, rubrum, okay, lactopane. Okay, so just remember these things. Okay, this will be useful in your practice later on. Okay, so just remember this thing, because these are the universal things. Okay. Okay, then definition. What is the definition of placebo? Many times this is asked in your question papers. Okay, the definition of placebo, the doctrine of placebo, from the Latin placere, to please or to satisfy. Okay, what is the meaning of placebo? To please or to satisfy. Okay, so this is the meaning of placebo. Okay, if I told you, if any patient has some psychological issues, okay, they don't have any pathology, or sometimes you want to delay your medicine because of your you don't have like proper knowledge about that disease or that medicine. Okay, so for that reason you can use placebo. Okay, so the doctrine of placebo from the Latin placere, which means to please or satisfy. Okay, when the physician does not like to administer any homeopathic medicines to their patient, or in other words, when there is no necessary for administration of any medicine, he gives some unmedicated substances. Okay, that is actually unmedicated substances such as powder of sugar, of milk, globules, tablets, purified water. Okay, to satisfy the patient, to satisfy the patient and to create confidence that he has been using the medicine regularly. These unmedicated substances are called as a placebo. Okay, so these things I have already given you examples also why we need placebo. Okay, so remember these things. Sometimes this is of 2 marks question, or like sometimes 4 marks question. Okay, concept of placebo, or like short note placebo. So what you have to write. Okay, then we will go to next part, difference. Okay, different forms of placebo. Okay, what are the different forms of placebo? Okay, solid placebo, sugar of milk is there, cane sugar is there, globules are there, tablets are there. Okay, then cones are there. Okay, these are called as a solid. Okay, then liquids are there, alcohol, purified water. Okay, then there is purified water is there, alcohol is there. Utility of placebo. Okay, what is the use of placebo? Okay, how you can utilize, or what are the use of placebo? Both in acute or chronic diseases, when well-selected medicine continues to action in centesimal and decimal scales of the potency should not be disturbed case. Okay, suppose you first time your patient visited to you. Okay, you gave some medicine. Okay, and after that what happened? You felt ki medicine is actually working properly, but it will take some time. Okay, so what you will do, you will just give the placebo to patient. Okay, just a placebo you will give to your patient. Okay, so that's why when you are second time I told when there is a psychological issue is there. Third time, when there is actually medicine is not needed, only no pathology is there, then only you can give. Okay, so here one point is there, that if in this acute or chronic cases, what is acute disease? Do you know what is acute disease? You have any idea about acute diseases? Hello.
Short-term disease.
Okay, acute is short term, or you can tell ki like which has less than 6 weeks. Okay, remember this, which has less less than 6 weeks. Okay, if you have like any type of technical issue, don't panic. Okay, I will put it in YouTube also. Okay, because I think some of you have audio issue, or some of you because of network not getting proper audio. Okay, don't panic about this. Okay, then I am talking about the acute and chronic. Okay, the acute are which are less than 6 weeks. 6 weeks means 1.5 months. Okay, so which are less than 6 weeks, they are called as a acute diseases and which runs for more than 6 weeks. Okay, like epilepsy is there. Okay, you know epilepsy. Okay, sometimes like asthma or asthma is there. Okay, sometimes like many skin diseases are there. They go more than 1.5 months and for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. These are called as a chronic disease. Okay, so in the both the cases, if you don't want to just disturb the harmony or working of your medicine, okay, so at that time you can give placebo. Okay, then next is the during the period when we have given the placebo to keep the action of the medicines and undisturbed at the same time, the patient also knows that he is taking medicine. Okay, psychological effect. Okay, I told you in class also that psychological about this psychological effect. Okay, then most of the medicine starts their action at the homeopathic aggravation. Kent's third. This homeopathic aggravation you will not now not understand. Okay, because you have not like read organon. Okay, in second year, third year, that the thing is means just here you understand it like a reaction. Okay, reaction of the medicine. Okay, that is called as a homeopathic aggravation. Okay. So we have like one of his stalwarts of homeopathy is Dr. Kent. Okay, and his third observation, he has 12 observations are there. Okay, so this observation, okay. So third observation, you will find that there is some homeopathic aggravations. Okay, sometimes you are giving medicine and okay, because of overdose, okay, or anything, repetition of dose, it may react on your body. Okay, it will give over symptom. Okay, so that is called as a homeopathic aggravation. Most of the medicine starts their action with the homeopathic aggravation. Okay, when medicine administered in the centesimal and decimal scales during these aggravations, the patient rushes to his doctor, okay, being at a perturbed due to the aggravation. Okay, sometimes the aggravation is of severe that even he becomes perplexed, but an experienced homeopathic physician can easily differentiate between the two types of aggravation. Okay, so with experience, all these things comes. Okay, just this aggravation is reaction. Okay, in simple language. Okay, so sometimes when you give homeopathic medicine, you just increase the repetition of dose, or sometimes you increase the potency of dose. Okay, and because of that, there may be some issue may be there. Okay, so that is not a big problem. Okay. Okay, so this is the reaction. Okay, after 10 minutes, it may happen key automatically it will disconnect. Okay, because it is up for 40 minutes only. Okay, so we will do. Okay, means like today to only these 40 minutes. Then next day we can continue more. Okay, like Monday, Tuesday. Okay, then because the types of aggravation. Okay, then third point, when a patient comes to after being drugged from the allopathy, okay, homeopathy generally found that the case is changed. Okay, because it happens. Okay, you have, if any patient comes from allopathy, ayurveda or other system of medicine, okay, actual pathology is different. Okay, what first time they came to any doctor. Okay, but because of that things were changed. So sometimes the doctor want to give the time. Okay, like just we will give time so that patient's actual pathology can be seen. Okay, for that reason also placebo is given. Okay, here we should prescribe placebo at least for 10 to 15 days. Okay, so that the vital force can be held and symptoms due to the over drugging, okay, which are not actually true symptoms, some modified symptom because of the other medicine. Okay, that is called as the artificial system. Okay, that can be washed out and we will get the clear picture of that particular problem or disease. Okay, so that's why these three things are there. Okay, one is psychological effect. Okay, there's sometimes acute and chronic cases are there. So, and sometimes we just want to take time for the prescription. Okay, so these many things are there. For that reason placebo is used. Okay, so be careful because this placebo is very much important. Okay, and it is not in only in homeopathy, different system this is also used. Okay, placebo is used. Okay, Then some medicines action is even up for 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, for that reason also we have to give one dose you have given. As I told in class, one dose you have given. Okay, and after that you want to wait for some time, but you cannot not just tell your patient medicine is working for 2 or 3 weeks. Okay, just to satisfy your patient, you give the placebo. Okay. Then fifth point is in homeopathy, we give minimum quantity of medicine to the patient. So if we give only 2-4 dose to any patient and ask him come after long time, okay, especially in chronic cases, okay, then they will be that they taking medicine. Okay, they feel key in other system, so we are taking regularly medicine. Okay, that already I told in class. Okay, fifth point. Sixth point, placebo may be given to the patient who has imaginary illness. Okay, I told you psychological or just feeling key. Actually, they don't have any pathology, but they are just feeling I have some disease. Okay, that may be a reason. Okay, then it gives more time to the physician to study the case and select a medicine, and thereby keeping him his like hours. Okay, so many times when you give placebo, you have enough time to understand the disease and the particular medicine what actually you want to give to your patient. Okay, so that is also important. Okay, then what is the Hahnemannian view, okay, regarding placebo? So in aphorism number 91, fifth edition of Organon, he has told, okay, when the disease is of chronic and the patient has been taking medicine up to the time, okay, he seems the physician may with advantage leaves his some days quite without medicine, or the meantime administration of something of unmedication nature. Okay, so this he has given in section 91 of fifth edition of Organon of Medicine. Okay, you know Organon has different edition: first edition, second edition, third edition, fourth edition, and fifth edition. And what we are studying nowadays, okay, this is the sixth edition. Okay, sixth edition of Organon is there. Okay, this book is the sixth edition of Organon of book. Okay, already you know what you will study in Organon. Okay. Then one more point is there, section 96 of fifth edition of Organon, a pure fabrication of the symptoms suffering will never be met with the hypochondriac, even in the most impatient of them. Okay, so this section 91 and section 96, there we have Dr. Hahnemann has talked about the placebo. Okay, then section 281, okay, sixth edition of Organon, Dr. Hahnemann has again talked about the placebo. Okay, in order to convert of the patient left without any medicine for 8 to 15 days, meanwhile give him only some powder or sugar of milk. Okay, so this is given in sixth edition of Organon 281 aphorism. Okay, remember these things. Okay, then next is the SACLEC. Okay, SACLEC, many names are sugar of, okay, sugar of milk. Okay, chemical pharmaceutical H2211. We already talked. Why do you use sugar of milk instead of other solid vehicles? For the purpose of triturations. Okay, for the trituration, sugar of milk is useful instead of other solid vehicles because sugar of milk is the best crystalline substances. Okay, scanty, gritty to touch, and faintly sweet. Okay, so what is the quality of sugar of milk that you have to write? It has been found that experiment that it competent to the ground down to the inconvenience fine powder. Okay, the particles such as minerals. Okay, and they properly hold the medicine. Okay, and they are not soluble in alcohol, and most of our medicines are prepared from the alcohol. Okay, so remember these 3 points. Okay, this is very small part we are studying today. Okay, but remember these things. Okay, what part we have studied? Just we have seen about the uses of sugar of milk. Okay, what is the different uses we have seen? Okay, then placebo, concept of placebo. What is the placebo? Okay. Then definition, its synonyms. Okay, like enum. Okay, then we have seen about the uses of or when we have to use the placebo. Okay, placebo are actually medicine or not, or where to use the placebo. This we have just studied. The 7 point is there. Okay, these 7 points we have seen. Okay, then what Dr. Hahnemann has told about the placebo. Okay, this also we have seen. Okay, we have just talked about that key, what he has told in the fifth edition of Organon, aphorism number 91 and 96, and what he has told in the sixth aphorism of sixth edition of Organon in aphorism number 281. Okay, Then why we are using sugar of milk, okay, as a placebo, or why we are using, because for the purpose of giving medicine, because we have to write all the qualities of sugar of milk, okay, and they are not soluble in alcohol, okay, that is one more reason. And they are like easily miscible with our medicines, okay, means they can easily carry our medicines to our body, and they are not reacting with our medicines, okay. So these are the important things that we have to take in consideration, okay. Then next part is one more new part is there. That's why I'm thinking the preparation of cane sugar. Okay, that is okay. The one more part is there. There cane sugar. Okay, how to prepare from cane sugar. Okay, sucrose. So okay, how we'll prepare that we will see in next class. Okay, because if I will start, okay, it will just 40 minutes are there. Only 2 minutes are remaining. So it may be closed. Okay, so like is it okay, means any discomfortability or any problem you are facing with online classes? I know it is not as per actual classes, okay, but we have to continue like that for some days, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay now, and I told you, I am telling you again, okay, try not to go home, okay, or not to travel, okay. Yesterday's order also you have seen, okay, like if you will start, we will plan anything, then you will miss that thing, okay. And missing terminal means just internal assessment marks will be less, okay. So you don't have emergency, any problem, okay, like please don't leave Shillong, okay, because nowadays everything is online, okay, you know, you can talk with your parents online by video conferencing or like video, then you can use online transaction of money also, okay, just to make your parents also understand, okay, regarding this, okay. Otherwise, like because of this issues, it may happen ki you may not appear in terminal exam, or like you, okay, so that may be a problem for you later on, okay. Be careful for that, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anything, any question you have to ask about placebo or about the why we are using this for medicine? Anything you need to ask? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I think it is okay. Less than 1 minute is remaining. Okay, automatically it will disconnect. Okay, don't means just I will, after that I will not continue. Okay, so I will see later on how I have to increase these. Okay, like approximately 1 hour every day we have to take the classes. Okay, otherwise how we will complete our syllabus, na? So who are not able to join because of network issue, okay,